Hi there, this is a video for the Let's Move It project in which I want to demonstrate a connection made between OpenTCS and Unity. OpenTCS is a fleet management system which can operate automated vehicles on a factory floor, and what I did is to connect Unity, so that in Unity, which is a game engine, you can simulate the factory floor with the vehicles. So experimenting with that and scaling up to many vehicles is much more easy. That's the whole idea. So here you see the factory floor with 4 stations, and I've created the same in Unity. You can see it here. You see the 4 same stations with 2 vehicles already present. And what I want to do now is to give the red vehicle the order to move to the charging station, and the yellow vehicle the order to move to the working station. So I'm going to start Unity project, and you see the number of connected vehicles is still 0. So from the OpenTCS kernel I have to enable the vehicle drivers like this, and let's check that. Yes, the number of connections is 2, and I'm going to switch the OpenTCS to the operating mode so we can run it. And indeed here you also see the 2 vehicles at the positions reported back by Unity, so the connection is working. Now I'm going to create 2 transport orders, one to go to the charging station, that was for vehicle 2, and one to go to the working station, and that was for vehicle 1. Nothing is happening now, and that's because I still have to enable the vehicle for operations, and that goes like this one and also this one. And in Unity you see the red vehicle is moving while the yellow one is waiting for the red one to arrive at the working station, so it knows for sure that it left the loading station, so this point will be free. That's the way it works now. So now it starts moving also, and the yellow vehicle in this case will also avoid this this obstacle, and it will also avoid the red vehicle if it would encounter that. So the whole idea is well, to play with this setup, to experiment, to find out what the responsibilities of OpenTCS should be, and what the responsibilities of the vehicles should be, or in other words, how intelligent the vehicles should be to have a good factory floor operation. As soon as they arrive at their destination points, they will report that back to OpenTCS. So that's about now, and yes, you can see that also here. So they are now at their destination. Well, this model is still quite simple in the sense that vehicles can only move in one direction, and therefore I've also created a bit more flexible setup. So I will stop this Unity project for the moment, and I will switch back to modeling mode and to load the other model. That's this one, and you see this is a bit more flexible. I have also to load that into the kernel, and what you see here is that now the vehicles can move in 2 directions between stations, and also that as soon as it leaves a station it will report that back to OpenTCS, so the other one can also start moving towards the station. I will demonstrate that, so I will start up again the Unity project. Yes, you see still no connection, so again I have to enable the vehicle drivers, and I'm going to switch back to the operating mode like this, and indeed again the vehicles at the right position as they are in Unity. And now again I'm going to create 2 transport orders, one to go to the charging station, that was for vehicle 2, and the other one now I want to go to the loading station. So the 2 vehicles will encounter each other somewhere here, and so we can see what's happening then. So that was for going to the loading station, and that's for vehicle 1. And of course I again have to enable them for operation, this one and also this one. And in Unity, now we see them moving simultaneously, and as soon as the yellow one leaves the charging station, the red one can continue. It will avoid the obstacle here, and also the vehicles will avoid each other. That's something you get for free in Unity, so in that sense it mimics the operation of the real vehicles. And again, as soon as they reach their destination, they will report that back to OpenTCS, as you can see here. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.